Kidamtang aruni phai cricket homani HDP Bazar logedo MS HDP Large Area Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society mate Lambs Limited along kilik padoponlo. Labang so kilik padopon along banging ko rapliatum kilik chepate donsi bang kripliatum ningkan pho pharman kilang ponji aphan kilik chepahai ponlo. Lason si aruni phai cricket kebani HDP Lambs asai hemalong Board of Director mate kilik kachepahai bang kripliatum an chairman apen vice chairman ang hoy Kangwai ponamai padoponlo. Kangwai ponamai long chedan chok plot pen kaddu kawe chedon sar pen chairman arpu Chandra Timung la pen vice chairman Jana Singh Tokbia phansi ingwai ponlo. Bangso mai long aluhiaman pen returning officer Firo Chingti chetong donsi chingki je thana jamek dengpon pen mai misen pen pachun ponlo. Bilai pen Bijoy Rongpi Karbeng Long Live.